trembling, afraid it won't be the final word. But I don't need a wall between myself and the truth anymore. I'm done defending, I stand uncovered. There are no promises before